The whole idea of being on a motorcycle is to be light and agile, and don't let your luggage interfere with that. So if you're planning a long ride, or if you're planning to go to the Himalayas or Ladakh on your motorcycle, I think one of the most daunting tasks is how do I carry all my stuff on this small little bike? The one rule that you should really remember and follow is take out all your stuff and then just reduce it by half. What I wanted to stress was the less that you carry, the more enjoyable your motorcycling experience is going to be. One thing to remember is that if you have a good set of riding gear, you're going to be wearing this riding gear every day. So the number of clothes that you need are going to be minimized any which way. So once you get out of your riding gear, you're going to spend very little time during the day. So your pants are not getting used as much as in a full day. So you don't need multiple pairs of pants. If you can do away with having multiple night dresses and wear your shorts and t-shirts to bed, then that's saving some of your bulk. A lot of this will of course depend on your personal habits and priorities. So somebody will travel with a toothbrush and somebody will need a whole case of toiletries. But try and minimize everything. Also, remember that your gear has uses of the motorcycle as well. You can use this as an additional outer layer over your casual woolens. So that keeps you protected from the cold. You don't need to carry a separate jacket, which is going to take up a lot of bulk and space in your gear. There's no easy answer or solution to this. Each person has to optimize on what they are comfortable with. Also, one thing, look at your cycle time. When is it that you're actually going to have a rest day? And on that rest day or in a break, can you recycle and wash your clothes? Minimize electronics, because that's going to get shaken up on your bike. If you're carrying something, think about what you're going to use and what you're not going to use. If you're carrying an SLR, then that's good, you must have it. But then think about what you can do with the different lenses. If you're carrying a GoPro or something, think about how many mounts you're actually going to use. So optimize and minimize. That's the key to really packing your stuff and being light and agile on the motorcycle. In case you happen to be traveling with a group of friends, what you can do is you can collectively pull in and reduce your individual burdens. For example, you can have one collective toolbox, one collective puncher kit, or maybe one collective laptop in case you're going to gather a lot of content. You don't need so many Bluetooth speakers and all that. So see how much you can collectively coordinate and reduce the total amount of stuff that the group has to carry. And the last message I'd like to leave you with is, please don't carry anything which you're going to consume and leave in the mountain. So whatever you carry, please bring it back. There is already a lot of trash accumulating. Let's not add to it. If you can carry some of it back, even better. Thank you.